Here we are today, again with Light and Green for another episode, and we are going to see how they do installations, right?
Absolutely not. We have the help with our assistant Enrique.
Hello, Enrique.
And he's going to show you essentially what you're going to need to do to install our fixture.
Okay, because I'm going to ever have to install my own fixtures?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, great. So let's get started.
So what you see right here is our linear Cove product. What we're going to do is have Enrique show you what the installation process looks like. Okay, so right now Enrique is going to mount our linear Cove. And as you can see, we have brackets supplied with the fixture, but you can also drill directly into the product as well. Enrique is drilling directly into the joist here, and this fixture is measured to 5/8. So when you bring in your drywall, it's going to match up to this outer lip. We do manufacture some end caps, so you can have a clean finish to the linear Cove, and it also gives you a little hole to bring in your low voltage wiring.
So now what about how you get the drywall attached to it?
So that's what we'll do next.
Well, look at that, how convenient. A perfectly cut piece of drywall ready for us.
I just found it lying around.
Yeah, exactly.
So we've already brought in our wire, so it's positioned here already, and this is going to be important because when you bring in your LED tape,
Right.
the LED tape is going to hide inside, so you're not going to need a lens or diffuser.
Like, explain that to me.
So the idea is that by not using any lenses or diffusers,
Right.
if you ever have to maintenance your product, you can just reach right inside.
Do you plaster over the side so it's seamless? Right now it's seamless.
Yeah. So what we're going to do after we're done installing the drywall is we're going to tape and mud. All of the seams are going to disappear. What we're first going to do is use the mud to fill in any of these thicker seams.
Right.
And then we will apply the tape on top of that to clean it up. So again, as you can see, just very gently mudding over any of the outer lip. And so now we're just cleaning up the edge and applying our mudding tape. We can start filling in all the gaps.
This is fun.
And so right now what you see, we've covered up all of the seams where the drywall has met the fixture. And now what we're going to do is apply more mud over the tape and then just very, very lightly creating a feather thin finish.
All right, folks, so here we are. This is what we got. I'm surprised. I would think this would be a much harder and complex installation. I didn't realize it's just 2 pegs. You have your mold, and then you tape and you plaster, and that's how you make this hole. I thought it would be something much more complex.
Yeah, it's fairly simple. We do all of the work for you when we're making our mold, and we've prepped the whole piece with the installation in mind.
See, folks, you can do it at home on your own.
I mean, Josh did it basically by himself.
This is fun. I wouldn't recommend it. On that note, thanks, signing out.